In this video, we will walk you through the possible settings and functions that can be adjusted and operated using the soap and water remote control. In the second part, we will cover how to use the color selector remote control. Your touchless sanitary cabinet includes a touchless faucet, a touchless soap dispenser, and a touchless hand dryer. The premium touchless sanitary cabinet models include two remote controls, the color selector remote control and the soap and water remote control. For other models, remote controls are available as separate accessories. Touchless sanitary cabinets are installed in a very wide range of bathroom interiors. The touchless components are programmed with optimal settings. However, when necessary, changing the detection range can be easily done using the remote control. Before starting, turn off the water supply. The detection range defines the distance from which the sensor detects an object and triggers the water or soap flow. To change the sensor range in your touchless faucet, hold the soap and water remote about 6 inches in front of the sensor that is located at the base below the water icon. Press the range button. When the LED flashes, use plus to increase the range or minus to reduce it. The sensor saves this setting automatically, even after power loss. The sensor range of the soap dispenser can be adjusted in the same way as the faucet, by targeting the soap dispenser sensor. But please note that as the user's hand is normally placed close to the nozzle during soap dispensing, adjustment of the detection range is usually not required. The temporary off function is ideal to perform any kind of activity in front of the sensor without activating the water or soap, like cleaning the sink. Faucets and soap dispensers will remain shut for 1 minute when the temporary off button is pressed in front of each sensor. After this ideal time is over, the product returns to normal operation mode automatically. To turn the sensors back on, during this time, simply press the on-off button again. Use soap quantity to fine-tune how much soap is dispensed. Select one of the 4 preset dosages. Choose dosage 1 for the minimum and 4 for the maximum. The exact soap dosage may vary depending on soap viscosity. If the soap dispenser in your touchless sanitary cabinet delivers foam soap, the remote control allows you to customize the settings to meet your specific needs in terms of foaming performance. The soap and water remote allows for you to customize your foam. You can use these buttons to increase or decrease the amount of air or soap ratio added to the foam, affecting the consistency being dispensed. After refilling the soap tank, press the fill button to prime the soap. The pump will run for 1 minute to draw soap to the dispenser. Press fill again to stop the process or repeat if needed. To restore factory settings, press the reset function button while pointing it at the soap dispenser sensor for soap settings or at the faucet sensor for faucet settings. Thank you for watching this video. Contact us anytime for more information.